Go. So now we've tied the halyard with the ladder fully extended. Well, for this exercise, we're going to be lowering the ladder rung by rung and retie the halyard each and every time to see how much we have to change tying the halyard when we have less and less slack to work with. So we'll go ahead and untie it. And always maintain control of the halyard. Remember, just like when we raise the ladder, having the halyard farther away from you will allow you to have a lot more control of the ladder. When we're lowering it, keep the ladder a little bit towards you, so that way we have slack in the halyard and we can balance it with our foot and our knee. Once again, get the halyard out. You can use a hand if you need to, but you really just need the halyard. And now we have less slack to work with, and we're going to retie it as much as we can. We'll go over how to adjust the clove hitch, but the biggest thing too is really your overhand knot. So this overhand knot is going to get shorter and shorter. And so in future repetitions, we're just going to do it, but this is how we're going to test it each time. We're going to take this part, the upper part of the halyard, go into the fly section. We're going to pull it as hard as we can to see how much slack is actually being able to fed through in any case the locks fail. So we're just going to go through from now all the way to the bottom, and based on your ladder and your halyard and your technique, you can test this out on your own. So here, we don't have enough slack to do a clove hitch, so we're just going to do the overhand. And we're going to get the overhand knot as high as possible to rung number 4. We come back here and test it once again, see the slack. Now in this one, I'm going to intentionally tie the overhand knot pretty low, so that way we can see what happens if we do that. Get the halyard, and it stays pretty secure. It's very secure. So there comes a point in time where you don't even have enough slack to tie the overhand between 2 rungs. So you just find a single rung and tie it in that way. If you have enough slack, you can also do a clove hitch with this technique as well. There does come the point in time where we don't have any more slack to work with. In that case, when we have the fly out like we're supposed to, the slack's not that much of an issue, it's right in your face. So that is how we're going to be tying the halyard based on different lengths of extension with the extension ladder.